storms and north. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to more weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm. Warning for Northeastern Washington County in north-central Maryland, western Carroll County in north-central Maryland, western Howard County in central Maryland, northern Montgomery County in central Maryland, Frederick County in north-central Maryland, northeastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia until 4 p.m. At 6:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Mount Lena to near Poolesville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. 70 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become further paths. Locations of traffic include Columbia, German Frederick, Leesburg, Hagerstown, Ormond, Damascus, Herman, Poolesville, Nickford, Harry Grove Stadium, Montgomery Village, Aldersburg, Lavender Creek, Redmond, Noaa, Robinwood, Chinatown, and Brentwood. Immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move and shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous clouds of ground like water with these storms. Northern Jordan. Land is one of nature's living treasures. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central and north-central Maryland.